Hello everyone, myself Falguni Solanki. Welcome to our channel. So students, today we'll discuss in our writing section, speech writing. We have seen today which points we should be keep in mind while we are writing speech. So let's see. First one is introduction. Yeah, we can say that the first para. First of all, we have to start with greetings. Greetings means like we're saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now second one is introduce yourself. While we are presenting speech, it's most important that we have to introduce ourselves, like I am Sabana Sheikh, I am Malini Patel, whatever your name. Then next one is introduce your topic. Introduce your topic, it means you have to highlight your topic on which you are going to present your speech, because it is important. Without it, no one is understand that what is your exact point. Most of the time we have to present speech on some occasions like science fair inaugurations, sports day, school annual day, fun fair, or any farewell party. So whenever you represent your speech, must mention your topic, यानी कि introduce your topic. So here just example how you can start your speech. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. After greeting, यानी कि after good morning in, we have to start with salutation. If it's on a school level, then we have to start with respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am then your name, like I am Niti Thakur of class 12. I am delighted to have this golden opportunity to express my views on. After then you have to introduce your topic name, like women empowerment, problem of working women, cleanliness campaign, inauguration speech on science fair, sports day. We have many topics. Now second one is main body, or second para, we can say that. So elaborate the main points, like elaborate यानी कि describe the main point or main body here. So first para, start with your greetings, introduction of yourself, introduction of your topic, like normal few words. But second point, यानी second para, यानी कि the main body or main content of your speech you have to present here. In this point, you have to keep focus on describing points like definition, meaning, importance of topic, effects, facts, present state, reason or causes, explain in detail, quotes, present relevant examples, ask questions, your views, research, data and result. Let's go one by one. First one is definition. Now why there is need of definition? If you are presenting your views on women empowerment, then present it what is empowerment. If you are presenting your views on science fair, so introduce there why what is science fair. Then second is meaning, यानी कि meaning of your topic. If you are describing on Save Girl, then why you are presenting your speech on it, or why especially there is a need of it, or the topic need our attention. You have to mention that. Then next one is importance of topic, like Save Girl, women empowerment, global warming or science fair, sports, why there is a need of it, what is the importance of this topic. Like अगर आप साइंस फेयर के बारे में वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो तो उसको वहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे वाई साइंस फेयर की इम्पोर्टेंस क्यों है वहाँ हमारी लाइफ में. इफ़ वी आर today we are living in 21st century when every day we are seeing that new invention around us. So the students, the child scientists also need attention and guidance to represent themselves in front of the world. Next, effects. Effects यानी कि लाइक जो अभी विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में बोल रहे हो तो उनके ऊपर वो इफ़ेक्ट क्या है, क्या हो रहा है. अब सेव चाइल्ड के बारे में बोल रहे हो तो उसकी नेगेटिव साइड क्या है. इफेक्ट्स बोथ साइड्स होते हैं, पॉजिटिव एंड ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. सो यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट बोथ. देन फैक्ट्स, यानी कि यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट फैक्ट्स ऑफ लाइक ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. तो यहाँ पे फैक्ट्स प्रेजेंट करो कि क्या है आज कंडीशन, क्या है. विमेन एम्पावरमेंट है तो व्हाट इज़ द फैक्ट्स, कंडीशन क्या है हाल में जो लेडीज़ के साथ हो रहा है. सेव चाइल्ड के बारे में बोल रहे हो तो वहाँ पे भी जो फैक्ट डेटा है उसको वहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट करो. देन प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ चाइल्ड, प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ चाइल्ड लेबर के बारे में बोल रहे हो तो प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ चाइल्ड लेबर. विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में बोल रहे हो तो प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ वुमेन इन द सोसाइटी. तो जो प्रेजेंट स्टेट है वो भी वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट करना इतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप वहाँ पे स्पीच दे रहे हो तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट दैट जो लोग हैं, जो ऑडियंस है, उनको पता चलना चाहिए कि आप जो स्पीच दे रहे हो उसका प्रेजेंट के साथ क्या रेलेवेंट है. देन whenever you present it, go with the reason and causes, like what happen if we are not paying attention towards the topic right now, it will be increase or go with the worst condition in future. And also you can present that reason behind you have choose this topic, and especially if we are not paying attention, what happen in future. Especially to describe this topic, just go with the detailed description, exact cover all the points which are important. And I also suggest that go with straight line, do not try to put the stuff which is not useful there. Then next one is quotes. If there is some important quotes on it, you can also use it, like occasion like sports, then we have many quotes on it, like science fair, women empowerment, global warming. Just use it, it will be give a more effect on your speech. Then also present relevant examples. Present relevant examples यानी कि like if your topic is women empowerment, then go with the women which are right now presenting themselves on the stage of world, or also successful, they are leading their career. Ask questions. If you are, whenever you are presenting your speech, ask questions to the audience that why the condition of women is right now here is like this, when we have in our own state or our own country, one side the women are raising their stages in their career, and why second side we are still at the ground level. And also present now your views. Till you are discussing about the facts and the reasons and causes, now your views, what you want to do to change the life. Then research data, also present the research data on your topic, because as we know the maximum that every year we gather different types of data on different fields. So you can collect the details and present there the fact, or we can say that research data. At the last, also present the result. If we are not paying attention towards the current problem or topic, then what type of result we will face. And the third one is students' conclusion, or we can say that the third para. So in third para, summarize the main point in short. Whatever the points you have described in the beginning, just summarize it in a short way. Then next one is appeal, and the last one is to thank the audience for precious time. So here we have speech writing divided into three parts. First one is that first para, we can say that the greetings, introduction. Second one is the main body or main content of the speech. You have to cover all the things in this second part. Maximum stuff you have to release that. And the third one is the conclusion, where mostly it's end with the 2 or 3 sentences. So you cannot start new topic or not new thing in the conclusion or last para. So let's see with an example here. So students, you have an instruction like this: write a speech on inauguration of science fair. So start with good morning and hello to everyone, respected chief guest, principal, dignitaries on the stage, teachers and my dear friends. Now you have greet the audience and also present your respect towards them. Now introduce yourself. I am Niti Thakur of class 12, head of student science committee. I am delighted to have this golden opportunity to express my views on today's occasion, and today's occasion is inauguration of science fair. I am very happy to announce this fair as opened by our respected chief guest to all the future scientists who worked day and night to make this happen and try to contribute in the field of science. So, students, here is your first para where you introduce yourself, your topic, and also you have covered the few things about the science. Now, let us go with the first second part of our content, our speech, or we can say that the main body of the speech. Most of people think that science fair as an event where children explain a very simple and most like overused science fair project. So, here to describe the meaning of your science fair, your definition of science fair, why we are celebrating that science fair, यहाँ पे आपने उसकी beginning की है. In fact, science fairs actually mean a lot more than most people think. There is so much that you can get out of a science fair. Here are some examples. So, here are some examples. You can also present examples, maximum you know, but here I have just highlighted one. Presenting in front of a judge allow us to improve communication and social skill. Whenever there is a time to questioning during the last time of result, this is also important for students. It increases the communication and social skills, and then you can present the maximum examples. Here I have just leave the space, but you cannot leave the space in the exam. You have to describe your point, and then in mostly the last one, I really hope that all of us will keep entering in science fair, and whether we win or not, I have no words to describe how much. Then you may continue your views on it. So, students, this one is the last para of our speech. We can say the conclusion, and last say thank you to the audience or the presentees there, then complete your speech. So, students, here is the simple format of speech writing. It will help you to score maximum marks in exam. Okay. In next part, we will be with a new topic. Till then, keep watching our channel, like us. Thank you.